unboxing. It was free. Hermes unboxing. Things I already have, but I got 2 more variations. A little. I got 2 duplicates. They conned me into it. They tricked me into it. Pull my leg, why don't you? I didn't want anything, but I got tricked into it. Thank you, Hermes. Oh my God. Okay, so I didn't actually need to go get anything from Hermes. I went to go pick something up. But of course, when I got there, I was tricked into my credit card fell out of my hand and I got something. I'm a sucker. I'm a shopaholic sucker. Okay, I posted a video. I went to go pick up a hat. And then I saw some things and I got some things. They made me do it. They made me do it. I actually, if you watch my other video, I had a bunch of credit. So I wanted to kind of spend the credit because I hate the credit just sitting there. And I wanted to spend it to, you know, because it's already paid for. The money's already gone. So it's like, you know, the math is math. It's like the math is mathing, right? Because it's free basically. This was free basically because of, it was free. I already paid for the credit, so the credit's already gone, so the money's not there. So I didn't actually use any money. I didn't actually pull out my card to buy anything. Therefore, it was free. So I got 2 things. And also, I bought things to, like, you know, because it was credit, so it wasn't actually on my purchase history. So now my purchase history has gone up a little bit, hence leading towards the next bag, right? So it was all good and good. Anyway, so, yeah, okay. So I'm going to open these 2 things that I got, okay? 2 little things. Okay. I think you probably know what it is just by looking at it. Okay. Oh, it is the Kelly to Go in a tube. And I know what you might be saying to yourself. You might be saying, Mike, don't you already have that bag? And you would be right. I do. Why did I? Oh, because you can never have more than enough of one. 2. One for use and one for looking at. One for day and one for night. One for now and one for later. Right? Oops. Oops, I did it again. So I do. I do have 2. But now we have 2. Okay. So this, but still, you got, okay. It's beautiful. It's brand new. It's a baby. It's luscious. It's the Kelly to Go. Okay. They are actually different, but I'm going to post a separate video about that if you can tell what the difference is. If you know what the difference is. If you know what the difference is, bonus points right in the comments below, but I'm going to do a separate video on what the difference is. Okay. So they're not exactly the same. So, It's beautiful. She's beauty. She's great. She's from the United States. Okay. Kelly to Go. Strap on. Great. Okay. Second thing. I might also have this. So you might be saying, what's wrong with you? Why are you getting duplicates and everything? And you would be right. There is something wrong. But that's not for me to figure out. That's for therapy. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Okay. So this, I got, okay. Top of the box, top of the box. Okay, so I got another one of these munchkins, but this one's super special, actually. It's the gold one, but with the alligator. Crocodile. Mate, crocodile, alligator. I'm not sure if it's crocodile or alligator. I should find that out. Oh, it comes with this that tells you what it is. So, hold on. How do I? It's just taped on here in the back. How good would this look on there? Let me get the other one. See? Same, but different, right? Okay. They are. Yay! Okay. That's all. Bye.